Welcome to GigaBits, where broken apps don't get blamed, they get fixed. You open InShot ready to edit, and the app crashes. It freezes. It won't export, or it refuses to load your project. No matter how good your footage is, none of it matters if the editor doesn't work. In 2026, InShot is still one of the most popular mobile video editors, yet users continue reporting the same frustrating problems. So what's actually breaking InShot, and how do you fix it fast? I'm breaking this down because InShot issues are rarely random. Most problems come from updates, corrupted cache files, device limitations, or export settings that overload your phone. I reviewed the most common errors reported by creators and tested the fixes that consistently work in 2026 using real editing projects. InShot promises smooth editing, fast exports, music integration, transitions, and social-ready formats. When it works, it's simple and effective, but users report crashes during export, black screens, missing audio, failed saves, and projects that won't open, even on newer devices. The first fix is restarting the app and your device. This clears memory conflicts that often cause crashes. Next, check for updates. Outdated versions can fail after back-end changes. Cache corruption is a major cause. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling InShot resets broken temporary files. Export settings matter too. High resolution, high frame rates, and heavy effects can overload your device. Lowering settings often stabilizes exports. Storage space is another silent issue. If your device is nearly full, exports may fail without warning. Not all issues are fixable immediately. Some crashes require waiting for a patch. Free users may hit export limits or watermarks that feel like bugs but are intentional. Error messages are often unclear, making troubleshooting harder than necessary. To fix InShot not working in 2026, update the app, clear corrupted data, lower export settings, and free up storage. When properly maintained, InShot remains reliable, but it's sensitive to outdated software and overloaded devices. For more fast fixes, app breakdowns, and honest tech solutions, make sure to follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical guides like this.